We will show you how you can define a text on a contour in Tensor. First we have to define the font of our text, so we can move to change attributes and select the text tab page and select the font from the list, for example Verdana, bold for example, and we'll click on OK. So we selected our font. Now we will select the contour, in this case this profile, and we'll move to NC Jobs, Machine Text on Contour. And we'll answer the questions Tensor will present. So we'll click on OK, and we can enter the text Tensor CadCam, for example, and we'll enter a text height of 20 millimeters. OK. So now we can define where we would like the text to be on our contour, at the start, at the end, or in the middle. So it will outline it on the middle if we select 1. OK. So there's our text, and we can convert this into an NC code, and we'll answer the questions. Machine with the finishing, no, we don't need a finishing, and we will machine on the text, so we'll select 0, and we will not use any tool compensation. We will load a new tool from our tool library. This is our tool library, and let's say we can select a flat end mill of 2, select OK, and the depth of our text is 5 millimeters, and we'll have a step of 5, no allowance. OK. We'll do this per step instead of helical machining, and retract height and save position, we'll put a 5. We do not need any approach on our profile, so we'll select 2, no approach, and we will machine this without tool compensation, and you see that Tensor will convert all these letters into NC code. We would not like to have any copies, or if we would like a copy we can enter yes, and we'll translate a copy by entering 1 copy in Y direction and an increment of 150. So you can see that our copy is even outside our plate, and this is our NC code, and you can see we programmed Tensor CadCam. We missed our A here, but you can see that it's quite easy to program within Tensor text and curve this around a contour. So this was the example of text on contour, and please take a look at the next video of Tensor.